Hi everyone and good evening. My name is Oliver Briggs and I'm an Education Community Manager at Autodesk. It is an honour to sponsor the Excellence Award for Outstanding Subject Leadership. With so much change in recent years, our schools need leaders in the classroom who can pave the way and inspire both students and other teachers. Autodesk are fully committed to supporting every school in the UK with industry-leading software. But to take full advantage of that, we need the teachers who are willing to go above and beyond to ensure that future generations have access to the technology that will help them become problem solvers of the future. It gives me great pleasure to announce two such teachers as the winners for this year. For the Excellence Award for Outstanding Secondary Subject Leadership, the winner is Beverly Mahoney from the Royal Hospital School in Suffolk.
My name is Beverly Maloney and I'm a Design Technology teacher at the Royal Hospital School in Ipswich. I've been a Design Technology teacher for 17 years, having graduated from Goldsmiths University and commencing my career in East London. I've always had a passion for the subject from a very early age and have been an advocate for the benefits it offers at any stage of study. Design and technology as a subject transcends mere appearances. To me, it is a realm where ideas can come to life, where both students and staff can take creative risks safely, and where the seeds of the future can sprout. It has undeniably provided me with numerous opportunities and enabled me to share them with those I teach and collaborate with. Design technology at my school is on an upward trajectory. We have a robust department marked by success and strong support. Rooted in a naval heritage, our school boasts a wealth of expertise spanning from the remnants of old naval ships to cutting-edge technology and collaborations with the Royal Academy of Engineering, Shape Robotics and London Grid for Learning. Moreover, I've had the privilege of working alongside colleagues from several other local schools to bolster our offerings, particularly in the realm of STEM, leading significant collaborative events in the area and partnering with key industry stakeholders. Winning this award holds immense significance for me. I'm deeply humbled by the nomination and recognition for something I'm genuinely passionate about and thoroughly enjoy doing. I extend my heartfelt gratitude for this award and offer congratulations to all the nominees this year. Thank you.
And for the Excellence Award for Outstanding Primary Subject Leadership, the winner is Tracy Hayter from Yateley Manor School in Hampshire. Congratulations to you both.
Hi, my name is Tracy Hayter and I'm Head of Design Technology here at Yateley Manor School in Hampshire. Prior to teaching, I trained and worked as a designer working for high street brands before I had a career change. Originally training as a senior school teacher, I made the transition to work with younger children 4 years ago, which was an exciting new challenge. Design is literally in my DNA. I live and breathe it. I remember it being the only subject at school which I absolutely loved, and the fact that everything has been designed in every corner of the world completely blew my mind. I've never thought in a million years that I would become a teacher myself, and yeah, I really find myself loving the person who now gets to inspire and encourage young minds. I took on the job as a food teacher 4 years ago at Yateley Manor now, and since then I've introduced both textiles and woodwork, and the plan is to slowly take over the school with design technology. I try and create projects where I'm tapping into children's passions and pastimes, whether it's from basketball to ballet, everybody has something which excites them. And our Year 6 Clock project is just one example of how I try to channel the inner passions of each individual child to be the best that they can be. Products that fire them up where they can't wait to show their families what they've made. I try to create really strong cross-curriculum links, especially with areas such as history and English. For example, a new modern-day bio tapestry design project using textiles in a way of sharing modern day narratives, whilst discussing the historical importance and getting children to question the original function of that design. Children love to work as a team, and creating collaboration between classes has been very successful. A good example of this was the Year 3 Bug Hotels. I really believe that the environment we work in can spark our creativity, and have managed to acquire 4 5-foot flamingos from a shop display which reside in my room, along with glitter balls and upcycled furniture. It's also a very fun opportunity to take an old trampoline donated by the parents to work with our groundsman Lawrence to create an outdoor pod that the children can use in break and lunchtime to colour and design, giving our budding designers a creative outdoor space. It's also been great to be given permission to transform an underutilised outdoor covered area of the school and turn it into a brand new woodwork room for the children. Asking for wood from parents, from local companies, we've gathered a range of hard and soft materials. The children have loved working in this new environment with traditional tools such as saws and hammers.
Hello, my name's Dania. I work for the James Dyson Foundation, which is Dyson's charitable trust. We were set up in 2002 with the aim of inspiring the next generation of engineers. And we do this across primary, secondary and university levels of education. I look after the Foundation's outreach programme, also the resources, and I look after charity as well. The James Dyson Foundation sponsors Category 3, the James Dyson Foundation Excellence Award for Outstanding D&T Teacher. And I'd like to congratulate Stuart Chatterton, Head of Design and Technology at Leith South High School. Stuart is also Director of Technology across 6 secondary schools and a primary school, all part of the Invictus Trust. And it's Stuart's passion for design and technology that excites us. This passion is shown through his hard work, as well as increasing the number of students taking D&T in his school. He's been instrumental in encouraging hundreds of students to take part in many different STEM competitions and events, glider challenges, Formula One competitions, the Big Bang, Girls on Track UK, to name a few. For students, being part of this type of STEM event can be the start of a keen interest in engineering. And this is important for the James Dyson Foundation, it's important for Dyson, and it's important for the future of engineering. So thank you, Stuart. Thank you for your hard work.
Hello, my name is Stuart Chatterton and I'm the Design Technology Curriculum Leader at Leith South High School in the West Midlands. Firstly, I'd like to say how incredibly proud I am that my colleagues nominated me for the award, and to go on to win it, it's a fantastic achievement. I've worked at Leith South since I was a qualified teacher. In this time we've developed engaging Key Stage 3 projects, leading on to Key Stage 4 and Key Stage 5, where we deliver the OCR, A-Level and GCSE Design Technology qualifications, alongside the Cambridge National Engineering Design Level 2 course. This year we have record numbers opting for the qualification within our school, with more girls than boys selecting the GCSE D&T qualifications. In our department we also run GCSE food preparation, nutrition, with a recently renovated new kitchen for our pupils. Several years ago I introduced F1 in schools, which is a real passion of mine, which has been a driving force in terms of changing the profile of the subject and the mindset of pupils, parents and teachers about how and what D&T is and why it is so important to our curriculum. We deliver F1 in school events to our local primary schools. We run entry class to Key Stage 3, which then progresses on to development class, professional class. Pupils attend weekly extracurriculum sessions and compete at the regional competition in Birmingham. Since 2017, our teams have won many trophies and progressed on to the national final several times. The engagement and success of the STEM challenge has encouraged the students and the school to invest in new equipment, including 3D printing, CNC machinery, and also while upgrading our computers to run our CAD software, Autodesk Inventor. Following the success and impact at Leaso's, the F1 in Schools Challenge is delivered throughout the 6 secondary schools Invictus Multi-Academy Trust, resulting in the CEO investing in the F1 Schools track and race system. Finally, you realise that teaching is a selfless act and that learning comes first, and design technology teachers showcase this on a daily basis. I'm incredibly lucky to work with such an amazing team, and I'd like to thank them again for nominating me and for winning this award. So thank you.
Hi there, my name is David O'Coyman and I'm the founder and chief executive here at Nook, a Bristol-based company with operations around the world. At Nook, we make a family of award-winning pods, booths and shelters for education spaces, as well as for hospitals and workspace. Our purpose is to use product and environmental design to make the world a kinder and more inclusive place. Nook pods, for example, are certified as a sensory support space for people with neuro differences. Design for inclusivity, in our view, is how we build a better world, one where everyone can unleash their full potential. And that is why I am particularly delighted to congratulate Vicky Wilkinson of Kingswood Hoe School with the Nook Pod Excellence Award for Inspirational Support Staff within D&T. At Kingswood Hoe, they mix traditional approaches with modern ideas to help support all of their pupils with special educational needs. We are excited that design and technology is rightly a key part of that inclusive learning experience, and congratulate Vicky and all at Kingswood Hoe for the great work they are doing.
My name is Vicky Wilkinson and I work at a special needs school in Essex for pupils aged between 7 and 16 years old. I have been lucky enough to work for a very dynamic and innovative head of department who helped me to feel passionate about the pupils having access to consistently high standard teaching. Design technology at Kingswood Hoe School aims to enable pupils with special educational needs to achieve high quality outcomes. We have cutting-edge modern facilities that help support excellent standards of teaching and learning so that pupils can make and produce products that they can be proud of. They are supported to use machines and equipment such as our laser cutter, plastic recycling and barista machine. All of the work that pupils do in DT helps develop independence, life skills and employability. We pride ourselves on high standards of safety, attention to detail and love projects that have a real life context. We even do all the catering for our parent and carer cafe, the school tuck shop and leavers party, as well as printing up the school leavers hoodies and making prizes and decorations for the party. DT is an area of excellence at Kingswood Hoe that we value and celebrate. Winning this award has shown me that pupils of all abilities should have equal opportunities to reach their full potential.
Hello, my name is David Lakin. I'm Head of Education Safeguarding and Education Policy here at the IET. Just want to say a quick congratulations and well done to our 2 award winners, Kay Stables and Les Porter, who have both won our IET Education Excellence Award for outstanding contribution to D&T. The IET have been a big supporter to the D&T Association for many years because it's so important that we recognise and celebrate the success of key teachers and supporters of D&T as a curriculum. It's the closest subject to engineering currently in the curriculum, so it's really important that we continue to try and inspire more young people to progress into a career in engineering. Well done again, thank you.
My name is Kay Stables. I'm an Emeritus Professor of Design Education at Goldsmiths, University of London. My teaching career started when I was 7 years old. My bedroom became a classroom, my dolls became my pupils. That set me on my career path as a D&T teacher, teacher educator, and education researcher. I started in the 1970s as a textiles teacher in an inner city comp, in an era when it was okay to be a bit anarchic. A former pupil once described me as being a textiles teacher who taught social history through the rise and fall of the hemline. Later, I moved to Goldsmiths to join a research team and project that is still, as far as I know, the largest research project in D&T ever carried out anywhere. Over my career, I've had the privilege to work with hundreds of student D&T teachers, many of whom are still teaching, and to support students and teachers in achieving Masters and PhDs in D&T education. I've also engaged in professional development of teachers in the UK and overseas, including America, South Africa, and India. In parallel, I've undertaken D&T research with my colleague and friend Professor Richard Kimball and the Technology Education Research Unit and fellow researchers globally. I have also had the privilege to be trustee of the D&T Association and editor of its research journal. Not surprisingly, I think D&T is a critical part of any education system. All human beings are born designers. It's one of the defining traits of being human, to have the capability and power to produce change and improvement in the made world. The nurturing of D&T capability is so important at a personal, community and professional level that it should be an educational entitlement for all here in the UK schools and across the world. Children have brilliant imaginations, and D&T is an exciting and rewarding way to set a foundation for the rest of their lives. I've had an amazing career with fantastic opportunities. Both myself and the subject have had highs and lows, challenges and successes. Right now, the subject is under threat, but D&T educators are a tribe of innovators, creatives, and so important just now, fighters for the subject that we believe in. Receiving this award makes me feel humble and maybe just a little bit proud to be part of the tribe. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Les Porter, and I've been asked to tell you a little about my background. But before I do, I'd like to say that receiving this award makes me the proudest man in the world, and I'd sincerely like to thank whoever nominated me for the award. There are so many people that I could mention who inspired me and helped me through this journey. I'm not going to mention any names because if I were to do so, I would miss out inspirational people. But all I'd like to say is thank you to me all. I was teacher trained at Shoreditch Teacher Training College from 1963 to 1966. So I come from a background as a D&T teacher. And in those halcyon days of teaching, there was loads and loads of curriculum time. Woodwork, metalwork, technical drawing, home economics and textiles all existed as individual subjects. And I was a really lucky man. I went to a school in Weybridge in Surrey, a brand new school, and we only took 1 year of students along with us. I've got friends and friends and friends that still exist from those days. I wish I'd stayed there, but we all have ambition. So then I moved into Berkshire and became head of faculty of a gorgeous school. The faculty was called MST, Math, Science and Technology. That was an absolutely fantastic school. I wish I'd stayed there. I had a converted London Transport bus, and BBC Bees were just coming on stream. This was full of technology, full of control technology stuff. And I'd go into school for half a day, cause chaos, drive away, and then leave the teachers to pick up the chaos that I'd caused. I'd go back next week. Absolutely fantastic. And I thought if I did a decent job, they'd keep me on. Became a lecturer at Brunel University at the design department, which was absolutely fantastic. 400 odd students, all studying design and technology in some form. what an exciting time it was in my life. And I ended up being the course director for industrial design and product design. And this was just the highlight of my life. Really, really fantastic. We had so many inspirational students that just carried me along. And I just got really, really excited about the work that I was doing. Alongside that, we're doing external examiner work, and I was an external examiner for Middlesex University, for Sheffield Hallam University, and then later on for Bangor University. So this is my company, Ideas into Action, and we do what it says on the tin. People come along to us with product design ideas, and we turn them into a working prototype that looks like the real thing, works like the real thing, but we don't take that into the marketplace. At the same time, there's exciting things going on. I was Chief Examiner for International Baccalaureate. I was the Subject Knowledge Enhancement Programme Evaluator. We ran the Digital D&T Hub. We ran the Electronics in Schools project, all sorts of little things like that, CAD in Schools project, and we also ran the Lincolnshire Young Designer of the Year Award. Wow, what fantastic times those were. But I don't know how this happens. Somebody finds out what you've done in a previous life. And at this time, that's when all of the LEAs were getting rid of their advisory teachers and their inspectors. So somebody said to me, would you like to do a little bit of consultancy work, Les? And I can't say no to anybody. So yeah, let's give that a go. So I ended up doing all of this consultancy work for such agencies as Data, Centre for British Teachers, DATRIS, Graduate Teacher Programme, more work for the EIS project, the Teacher Development Agency, Sheffield Hallam University and Bangor University. And it was just all fantastic. And I was going into schools, seeing absolutely tremendous work that was going on. It's absolutely fantastic. And I love all the work that we've done in design technology. Being part of the growth of design technology education has been a fantastic journey for me. And nothing gives me more pleasure than going into schools and seeing the creative work that's been undertaken by young people. I go into so many schools and see fantastic work that I could never have done when I was their age. I see students being guided by passionate teachers, all these teachers who are overworked and still have the time to help their developments grow and be passionate about the students and the projects they are working.
Hi everybody, I'm Callum from CO2 Layers Repairs, and we'd just like to say a huge congratulations to Michael Williams from Whitchurch High School for winning the award for Outstanding Industry Engagement. We chose to sponsor this award this evening as the link between industry and education has been key in the growth of our business. And we just want to say a huge thank you to everybody at the Design Technology Agency for the help and support they've offered to ourselves on our journey so far. Thank you, and again, congratulations to Michael for his great award.
My name is Mike Williams. I am Head of Faculty of Technologies at Whitchurch High School in Cardiff, where I have been teaching for 20 years. I love teaching D&T. I think it's magic. When you meet a student and you come up with an idea together and you see that project through, and then in a few weeks' time, they have a product that's in their hand that didn't exist a few weeks ago. This product now exists in our universe. It's magic, it truly is. And seeing the pride and the joy on their face that they say, I did that, this is mine, and the sense of achievement and empowerment that our subject gives, it's magic. A project, an event that we are very proud of at our school is the creation of the DT Derby. The DT Derby is an event where we take around 40 Year 10 students and they design and make radio-controlled cars out of cardboard, and they spend a whole day doing that. Over the last couple of years, we've been very lucky that we have had the luxury car company Aston Martin come into our school with their team, with their apprentices, and they help the students design and make their cars. They give them tips and advice, and they help get involved with racing the cars around the track. And there's a prize. The winning team of the DT Derby gets a tour around the Aston Martin factory. They get to see how design and technology is being used in the real world at one of the most highest levels. That is a fantastic day and a fantastic experience where I've been very lucky to be involved, and seeing these beautiful cars being created in front of you and seeing the awe of enjoyment and inspiration on the students' faces when they walk around this factory, it really does get them inspired to see what our subject can do for them and for everyone in the future. Winning this award came as a total surprise. I had no idea it was coming. It totally came out of the blue. When I received the phone call, I am very honoured to receive this award. I'm very grateful. Thank you to the association and thank you to everyone involved.
Welcome to the D&T Excellence Awards. Thank you for having us. At Leo Lion, we believe that businesses must reconnect company success with social progress. We call this shared value. Shared value is not social responsibility, philanthropy, or even sustainability, but a new way to achieve economic success. It is not on the margin of what our companies and investments do, but at the center. We are confident that our work will help give rise to the next major transformation of business thinking. It is our pleasure to present the award for Outstanding Industry Engagement, Industry Partner, to Debbie Inman from Bulletproof. Congratulations.
To learn more about Leo Lion and the future of capitalism startup competition, please visit leolion.co or scan the QR code.
Hi, I'm Debbie Inman, talent partner at Bulletproof, a global independent brand agency with 8 studios around the world, working with clients such as Mondelez and Diageo, as well as boutique brands such as Soapsmith. You might have seen some of our work, as we did the global redesign of Cadbury, as well as Toblerone, 2 of my favourite projects. We as an agency recognise the very real disconnect between the design industry and education. And because of this, we want to help lift the lid on all the opportunities that lie within this industry, showing students the diversity of roles within a design agency. Essentially, we want to inspire the next generation of creatives and those who'd like to work in a creative environment. Everyone from HR managers to finance assistants, strategists to client managers and visualisers to art workers. And D&T teachers will be able to share all their knowledge that they gain during their placement with thousands of pupils over their lifespan as a teacher. I am so honoured to be recognised for my work with the Teacher in Residence programme, and will continue to work closely with the D&T Association on other programmes through our Blueprint 1000 programme. And a massive shout out and thank you to the Teacher in Residence that have actually been at Bulletproof. And good luck to everybody who's going to be doing it in the future.
Good evening everybody, my name's Steve Cockram and I am Managing Director of HPC Laser in Halifax. We are delighted to be involved in this evening's event and to be sponsoring the award for the Outstanding D&T Departmental Team. HPC Lasers supply around 50% of our products into educational environments, so that equates to around 300 laser engraving and cutting machines every year into education. Now, I like to believe that we're making a positive contribution to the ambitions and the aspirations of young engineers. And these people might not realise it, but they are the product designers, the engineers, and the technicians of the future, shaping the way that society interacts with product development. And so it is with great pleasure that we have the honour of announcing the winner of tonight's award. Most people would announce the winner by traditional means, read from an autocue or draw a card from a sealed envelope. But HPC Laser, we like to do things a little bit differently, and we'd like to allow one of our machines to reveal the winner in a very unique manner. So let's hit the start button and here we go.
Hi. I just want to start by saying a big thank you. And this award, although I'm speaking to you, this is very much a departmental teamwork award from the teachers, which make it fun to collaborate with, the students, who always surprise you every day and keeps it really interesting, to the support of the parents, the SLT, the former students, and even the industry links that we have formed over the many years. So it's a real privilege and honour to be having this award, I accept it. Thank you very much. But it is the whole team that I've just mentioned. So, and at Highgate's a bit unusual that we go from age 3 to 18. So it's quite a unique experience where we can just drip feed all the relevant, all the context, all the cool things that the subject and the future has to offer. And so by the time they get to A-level and beyond, it's just a real privilege, and it's very much more of a consultancy thing, as you all know when it comes to teachers. It's the students that are afraid to take risks and learn and and come back and then feed the information in what they've kind of learned at uni and industry, and then they come back and tell the current students. So it's amazing what we've created at Highgate, and I just want to say a big thank you, and hope you have a lovely evening. Bye for now.
Welcome to the D&T Excellence Awards. It is our pleasure to present the award for the Bernard Brown Outstanding Pupil, ages 5 to 11, to Freddie Sweetman from the Arnold Lodge School.
To learn more about Leo Lion and the future of capitalism startup competition, please visit leolion.co or scan the QR code.
Hello, my name is Freddie Sweetman. I go to Arnold Lodge School, and I have won this award because of my skill and love for DT. Studying DT means trying to find something new, trying to find something better I can do in this world, so that will hopefully help other people in trickier situations. For me personally, my favourite thing in DT is VEX Robotics. I've been doing this since year 2. And this is my current robot. I've loved it the entire time I've been doing DT. I was brought into it by my parents, and we have won a lot of awards from VEX. We have won an Excellence Award at the National Championships. We have won a Teamwork Championship, a second place in skills. We have made it to the International Finals last season and got a trophy there for inspiration. We went to Dallas, Texas for the VEX Robotics International World Finals. I feel like anyone else would feel in what I feel, very happy and pleased with myself. I never knew that all of my work would lead to an award like this. I'm just very proud of myself and for my peers for helping me get there.
Hi, my name's Becky Sanderson and I'm the Senior Programme Manager for Schools at the Royal Academy of Engineering. The Academy exists to promote excellence in engineering in a range of different sectors, from research to government policy and public engagement. And in education, this means working with schools, colleges or universities to raise the profile of engineering and give young people the chance to try it out for themselves. And if all goes well, we then support their progress into further education and on into engineering careers. And with that in mind, the Academy is delighted to once again sponsor the category of Outstanding Pupil aged 12 to 16. And I want to extend a huge congratulations to this year's winner, Avi Kalute, who was nominated by her parents, who first of all highlighted her skills in using things like CAD/CAM, hand tools, modelling and prototyping, robotics and physical computing. But away from this, Avi is absolutely passionate when it comes to diversity in the tech sector, and around 5 years ago she founded Girls into Coding, which is a programme of free workshops for girls aged 10 to 14 where they can try out coding, computing, robotics and experience the process of designing, making and engineering for themselves. It was really hard to pick out just a couple of outstanding achievements from a really long list of very impressive accolades, but Avi was awarded the Big Bang UK Young Engineer of the Year Award in 2022. She won the Global Youth Awards Empowerment category in 2022 and was also included in the Forbes 30 Under 30 list for the class of 2022 for her social impact work. So it's been a real pleasure to hear all about Avi's work. It's thoroughly impressive. So on behalf of the Royal Academy of Engineering, I want to wish her a big congratulations and all the very best for her next steps.
Hi, my name's Avi and I'm 15 and the founder of my social enterprise called Girls into Coding. My aim is to engage as many girls as possible with technology and other STEM-based activities. DT means that I'm able to explore my creativity with no barriers. I'm able to design and produce almost anything I set my mind to. I want all girls to feel empowered to access opportunities, to develop their confidence and see their abilities and potential in the design and technology space. Really, there's so much I can say about design and technology. It has been transformative for me. At school, it has helped me to problem solve, research, develop resilience, troubleshoot, plan and manage time, collaborate and design, and manufacture some pretty cool stuff using different materials, processes and technologies. Beyond school, my DT experience has allowed me to develop a range of hands-on workshop activities, including robotics, renewable energy and air quality, which I use to give other young people, particularly girls, an opportunity to learn new skills, become aware of their abilities and to develop confidence and a sense of belonging in the tech setting. A recent project I worked on was my scaled-down air quality pavilion, which monitors and reacts to its internal CO2 levels by activating a range of automated features, including sliding skylights, vertical shuttle walls, ventilation fans, as well as warning lights. There were a lot of challenges I had to overcome, learning about new microcontrollers and linkages, working out a way to mount the motors, which would open and close the shuttle walls, as well as how to reduce wastage in the manufacturing of the model pavilion. I'm blown away that I've been recognised and chosen for this award, and I'm so happy that my work is able to encourage more young people, particularly girls, to give DT a go.
It's a privilege to represent WJC Educas at this very prestigious event. I'm Jason Cates, I'm the subject officer here for Design and Technology at WJC Educas, and it's excellent to be celebrating the awards together with all the competitors at the Design and Technology Excellence Awards. At WJC Educas, we are constantly reminded of the innovative and creative solutions that candidates produce for real-life problems throughout their studies in all design and technology qualifications. We recognise the importance of the skills and the diverse toolkit that candidates bring to problem solving in design and technology, and these skills are not only skills for qualifications, but skills for whatever pathway they choose in later life. The importance of design and technology as a subject cannot be overstated, and events like this are fantastic opportunities to celebrate the achievements of all sorts of people associated with the subject. We are proud to congratulate Jack Daly, winner of Category 12, the WJC Quebec Excellence Award for Outstanding Pupil aged 16 to 18. Well done, Jack. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Jack Daly. I'm currently a first-year electrical engineering apprentice at Jaguar Land Rover and pursuing an engineering degree at Warwick University. Alongside my studies, I'm also the founder of Microcade, an educational company dedicated to making electronics and STEM education enjoyable through fun arcade machine kits. I'm deeply honoured to have received this award. It's a testament to my lifelong passion for design and innovation. This award symbolises the culmination of hard work both in my academic journey and beyond. I never embarked on this journey with the sole aim of winning an award. For me, the real reward has always been the joy of learning and the positive impact I hope to have had on my peers, teachers, and the users of the products I've designed. Knowing that my work has made a difference and that they are hopefully good enough to deserve to exist and consume the material they use is the greatest satisfaction I could ask for. Design and technology means everything to me and my business. D&T equips us with the tools to turn ideas into tangible solutions that can benefit society. Design is a methodology that should be accessible to all, emphasizing core principles and needs. In the words of Dieter Rams, less but better encapsulates the essence of effective design. In today's world, where issues like sustainability and climate change loom large, design will play an even more significant role in guiding society towards a sustainable future. One of my most passionate projects is Microcade, a miniature arcade cabinet made entirely from PCB panels. It's not just about making fun arcade kits, but also about understanding the manufacturing process and materials behind PCBs and pushing their capabilities. We use different layers of PCB panels to create exciting side panel art reminiscent of classic arcade machines. Moreover, a tough design problem was making it able to be easily assembled even by beginners, particularly young individuals, while they learn valuable electronic skills like soldering and filing. After numerous refinements, I'm proud to say that Microcade kits are now used in schools and makerspaces. They inspire students to delve into design technology and STEM subjects, embodying my commitment to fostering a passion for learning and innovation among the next generation.
尊敬的 Tony Ryan 以及各位国际友人，大家晚上好。我是来自中国上海市嘉定区的李娟，通过线上的方式，在今天的盛会上能够与大家相聚，我感到非常荣幸。首先，我要向英国设计与技术协会表示衷心的感谢，授予了我们嘉定区设计与技术国际发展与支持奖。从2017年开始，DT 协会的优秀课程在本区的近50所学校进行了实践探索。我们确立了从小学到高中的 K12工程学特色课程项目。我们立足区域特色和资源， 在借鉴的基础上，推动学校开设科技创新课程，鼓励学生在科学、技术、工程和数学领域进行探索和实践，并进一步引入了现代教育技术和实验的设备，为学生提供更为广阔的学习机会。嘉定身处上海这个国际大都市，深知加强国际交流与教育合作的重要性。我们通过与各国的教育交流与合作，积极分享教育资源和经验，共同探索教育的最佳实践。这不仅有助于学生提升解决真实问题的能力和创新思维，也能够培养他们的全球视野和跨文化能力，更能加深学生对人类命运共同体建设的理解。这也为应对全球性的教育挑战提供更多的中国智慧。中国有句古诗：“海内存知己，天涯若比邻。”即使我们身处天涯海角，只要有相同的教育理念和目标，我们就能够心灵相通，共谋发展。我们非常期待与 DT 协会的教育同仁进行更为深入的交流与互动，在此也诚邀大家来上海市嘉定区进行深度的入校调研，共同探讨 DT 项目的创新和发展。最后，我再次感谢英国设计与技术协会所给予嘉定区的机会和荣誉。我们将一如既往推进 K12工程学特色课程项目的本土化实施，期待通过我们的深入合作和共同实践，开创更加美好的教育未来。